The Senter Realtors property video is presented by Shay Senter. An absolutely adorable 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in AISD. Beautiful wood tile floors run through the main sections of the house with carpet in the bedrooms. Featuring a split bedroom setup, the floor plan flows so nicely. Enjoy nice trees and a covered patio in the backyard. There is a 15 by 11 detached garage or workshop that is fully powered and cooled with a window unit alongside an additional storage shed in the backyard. For more information, review the details below or contact Shay Senter at 325-665-5574.